Hey there, floor cleaners. Are you struggling to attract new customers and grow your business? Today, I'm going to share with you a powerful marketing strategy that can help you do just that. Partnering with local businesses to cross-promote your services. In this video, I'll explain why this strategy makes sense, identify potential partners, offer tips on how to approach them, and share with you some real-world examples of successful partnerships. So let's dive in. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and my company AGB gets floor cleaning businesses such as carpet cleaners booked out with jobs using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to help you guys be more successful, be it through our specialist program or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right in. Why partnering with local businesses makes sense. If you're a floor cleaner, such as a carpet cleaner or a tile cleaner or a hardwood floor cleaner, you're likely competing with other local businesses in your area. By partnering with these businesses instead of competing with them, you can reach new audiences and build credibility through word of mouth referrals. Cross promotions is a win-win for everyone involved. You get exposure to potential new customers, whilst your partners get to offer their clients an additional service they need. Identifying potential partners. So, who are the businesses you should be partnering with? Think about businesses that serve a similar customer base but offer different services. For example, you could partner with real estate agencies, property managers, or home cleaning services. These businesses are likely to have customers who need your services as well. By partnering with them, you can tap into their customer base and vice versa. How to approach potential partners. Approaching potential partners can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to establish a mutually beneficial relationship. Start by doing your research on the business you want to partner with. What do they offer? Who are their customers? Once you have this information, reach out to them and explain to them how partnering with you can benefit their business. Offer to promote their business to your customers as well. Remember, cross promotion is a two-way street. Examples of successful partnerships. Let's take a look at some real world examples of successful partnerships between carpet cleaning companies and other local businesses. For example, a carpet cleaning company that we're working with in Chicago partnered with a home cleaning service to offer a spring cleaning package. The carpet cleaning company promoted the package to their customers, while the home cleaning company promoted the carpet cleaning service to theirs. Both businesses saw an increase in customer traffic and revenue as a result. Another example is a carpet cleaning company that we worked with in Dallas that partnered with a property management company to offer move in and move out cleaning services. This partnership helped both businesses to attract new customers and establish themselves as trusted providers of these services in the area. And there you have it, floor cleaners. Partnering with a local business is a powerful marketing strategy that can help you grow your customer base and increase revenue. Remember to identify potential partners, approach them with a mutually beneficial proposal, and offer to promote their business as well. By working together, you can create a win-win situation for everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more marketing tips and advice for your floor cleaning business. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program, head down to the description below where you'll find a link to our website where you can book a call. See you on the next video, guys. Cheers.